back to Fashion Up, where if you're anything like me, I love a good wind down video, a good aesthetic, just nice calming routine. Hopefully this routine, my nightly routine, will help you to incorporate some things into your nightly routine. Please, the comments are open for you to share. Let me know if you want to see more content like this. So generally, this is, every night, of course, is different, but this is generally a typical new night routine for me. So, so get into the vlog and hope you guys like it. Until next time, y'all take it easy. Tastes healthy and good for you. It doesn't taste the way I thought it was going to taste, because I'm used to drinking the Izzy, like, what is it, sparkling water or sparkling drink, but it's really good if you know what I'm talking about, Izzy. But this is a little less what do you like, carbonated, I guess. Yeah, less carbonated. But the Izzy is natural, so it's just like natural juices in sparkling water. This is a nice, chill, refreshing drink. I couldn't contain myself. Anyway, back to work. So I'm just going to get cozy because I'm going to be working for a while, burning the midnight oil. So I'm just going to take, because I had a call today, and I'm going to take just some baby wipes to wipe the concealer off. Hopefully you can see. Just come in a little closer. So I'm taking my makeup off, like I was saying. Just taking the concealer off that I had on earlier, and then I'm going to, my skin is doing better. Well, since I moved, it's doing okay. I had just been stressed, so of course I had the breakouts and just like eating that, just out of routine, fast food and stuff like that. But I'm trying to get to a schedule, routine, so maybe, and then I'm also using, I'll show you skin, when I wash my face, and when I, before I go to bed, I'm going to show you guys my full routine of what I do, what I use. Maybe I won't show it in this one. Maybe I'll just show it now so that I don't have to do that later. Because it's not really changed from what I showed you guys before. If you watch my sit down videos, I did a video and I showed the makeup, not the makeup, but the skincare that I was wearing. So I'm using this cream, and it's supposed to help with my dark marks and things like that, discoloration. So we will see. Oh, and then I've been using the Black Girl sunscreen. I like it. It's thick consistency and it doesn't leave a residue. But what I'm doing is mix it with my Macari serum. So I like that. But sorry about the lighting. Well, I shouldn't have to apologize, right? Why do we have to always say sorry for the lighting, sorry for this, sorry for that? No, the lighting is what it is. You know, it's kind of a little bit yellow, but it'll suffice. Anyway, this is my little drawer where I keep my pajamas and my undergarments and my socks. So, like I said, the weather is are getting a little bit warm. So I'm just gonna put this on and get comfortable. So it's just a little top and this skirt. I like to lounge in that. So I'm gonna just get dressed, change my clothes. So it's just my clothing rack. You can see my mannequin, but I just setting the vibes a little bit. You know, even though I'm gonna be in the living room working, I just like to turn on those lights so that I can see. I could see, you know, the lights from the couch, and if I look straight across, then what do you call that thing? I forget. But anyway, that, and then I could see my lights peeking through. So I'm still in the process of decorating and just kind of making the space condo my own. So anyway, yeah, that is my setup for now. Work clothes. Gonna do earlier, but I had to work, and the time now is, let me see, let me check my phone. It's 8:29, and I am still working, so I'm going to be working late. But I just wanted to, I'm going to unwind now and just get in the shower, but I'm going to show you what I do, like typically right before I go to bed. And if I have a candle going, then I'll just blow that candle out and push it to Ellie. I'll link it in the description bar, but I love it. It was a gift from a friend. So this is glass though, so you have to be careful. So I just tip that over. And I'm going to need some water, so I don't have to go off and get it. I'm just using my bottled water, and I'm using Shea Moisture lavender oil. So I'm going to just put like 2 to 3 drops in here. So I just take it out of there. So good. I love this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I use doTERRA as well, but right now I'm using Shea Moisture, and I really like it. It's good. And just pour a little bit in here. Just kind of feel it. That cord is right there. Can't. But yeah, just feel it. It has a little max line. So I just fill it to the max line. Then I'm going to take this little tube, put that over there, and put this there. And this is just going to really calm the atmosphere, and I really get very cozy in the night. So just take this and plug it in. I did have it on the table beside where I go to bed, but this really permeates the atmosphere good, so it's fine. And then plus I wanted to see it change different colors, so maybe I'll leave it here for a moment and maybe speed up the tape, do a little b-roll so you can see. It's gonna change colors there. Maybe I can catch it right before I turn the lights down to go to bed. Who knows what time that'll be. So now I am going to get in the shower. So I will see you guys, in the shower. Or when I get out of the shower. Okay. for lotion, I'm going to use the Dr. Teal eucalyptus. This is so good. I love it. So this is what I'm going to be using as a moisturizer before I get into my pajamas. This is how I fight my battles. Yep. The vlog here. Hopefully you enjoyed my nighttime cumbersome routine. It's not like that all the time, but today was a very busy day, so I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below, and check out some of the other videos that I posted as well. Alright y'all, I'm going to try to create a schedule, maybe just uploading once or twice a week, so bear with me. Alright, let's see, inheritance101.com. Be sure to check out the website, and I will catch y'all on the flip side. Until next time.